Okay, let's talk about an element that most people don't like but have to use all the time. And it's this live stream element. And why people don't like it is it's a bit complicated. It's not the easiest thing in the world. We are offering it because obviously sometimes you just want to manage a live stream, but sometimes it's difficult to set up. And this is what this tutorial is for. I think we'll do a whole separate thing about live streams, but right now let me just set it up the way it's most straightforward. So I drag and drop the live stream element in here. I choose the listing extra large, not the no real-time stage. This is an element we don't use anymore. Okay, listing extra large. And now I need a playback ID here. What does that mean? How do you get one? And how do you set it up? This is now all part of this video here. Okay, let me first explain what a stream actually is. Okay, here's a whiteboard. And this is a normal video call. This is what you drag and drop inside of the videos. And in a video call, you have the hosts in the video call and the attendees in the video call. And everything happens in the same element and everybody's happy. What is different with the stream is that you have a video call somewhere else on the platform, or not on the platform. This video call is happening somewhere in Zoom or in WebEx or wherever you want it to happen, and the hosts are in the video call. But the attendees are actually just watching the stream element. It's basically just a video. And the stream element, actually let me just call it here stream element video. What's happening is when people are joining the stream element in Meet Anyway is they're just watching a video. But what's the content of the video? Well, the content of the video is whatever is being streamed, whatever is being streamed to that video. And what's mostly streamed is some video call between a couple of hosts. So you will have speakers here talking in a Zoom call. Let's just, in this example, we'll make this a Zoom call. This will be Zoom. And whatever is happening in this Zoom call will be streamed to the stage. That's it. That's what a stream is. And now how do you connect it? Well, you connect it via 4 parameters. And this is the playback ID. The playback ID you put into the stream element on Meet Anyway. And the stream URL, streaming key, and streaming page you put inside of the software that you're using to stream. In this example, it will be Zoom. And I will show you exactly where to put this, but sorry if I'm repeating myself now, but this is really all there is. So in Meet Anyway, I'll go to the map builder. You have a playback ID that you have to put in, and that's this. And then later in Zoom, we will see where we put in these 3 parameters. And as soon as you have that, as soon as this is set up, you basically have a go live button. Somewhere in your streaming software. So somewhere in Zoom, there will be a go live button. Let me just do an actual button out of that. And then whenever you click that button in Zoom, you click on go live and then you're live. Then you're streaming to a Meet Anyway stage. And whenever you click on pause or discontinue live stream, this element will just show that the stream is not live. And you only need to connect it once and then you'll be set up. So let's have a look how it behaves when the playback ID is wrong or there's nothing there. So I'll just put 1, 2, 3 inside of it. I'll hit save. That's the live stream element here. Click publish and then let's look at the space. Actually, let me go to the dashboard, open up the space, go back to the space and go back to the preview. That's how it looks like. When I click join, what will happen? What will happen is this stream hasn't started yet. It shows this because it doesn't receive any signal from any stream. Now, how do you get the playback ID? You get it by going to the live stream element, just edit it, and then you see the playback ID can be requested here. If you click this button here, there's a form that pops up. Just fill out the form, tell us how many streaming stages you have. Probably it's just 1. Request the playback ID and you will get an email. Now I will explain in another video how what steps to take after you receive the email.